Hello, beautiful. Hey, this is Robin Nielsen, and it's so great to be here with you in our beautiful sisterhood group. Today we launch Robin's Hormone Reset, and what that means is that you can register for our June event that begins on June 3rd. We're so excited. It's our 12th time that we've done this amazing program, and it goes from June 3rd to June 11th. And yeah, I hope that you will join us if you haven't already. If you've already joined us, please post right here one celebration from your participation in the reset before, and really encourage your girlfriends to join us. And to get the excitement rolling, we're actually going to have a post every day. Um, uh, and we're calling it the Hormone Reset Pre-Party Game. It's the Hormone Reset Pre-Party Game, and we're going to be posting a symptom of hormone imbalance, and you get to guess which hormone is most responsible for that symptom. And we are going to be giving away prizes. I think we're going to give away a prize every single week, and we're going to encourage you to join the reset so you get the whole entire picture of what's going on with your hormones and how you can take charge of your health to feel better a lot faster so that you can live the life you had dreamed of, that you're meant to live. We want your light to shine bright. We want your light to shine bright, and we want to get you out of hormone yuck, out of hormone hell, and into hormone bliss, because when your hormones are balanced, you just feel so much better, and you're just present for life. So join the Hormone Reset Pre-Party Game. It'll be really fun to see some of these, hormone challenges and which hormone is most responsible. And together with that, we'll be doing a raffle at the end of every week and giving someone a prize. So we look forward to seeing you in the game, and post right here, I'm in. All right. Sending you so much love. Mwah.